Welcome back to this channel, and today we're looking at best Cowrywise investment option. We're going to be looking at the three of them and comparing them. So the first thing you need to do, as usual, is download the app and then create an account. You don't have to do this. Go check out our video on how to create an account on Cowrywise. Then you come back, and once you're here, the next thing you're going to do is from the homepage, click on invest at the top. And once you've done that, you are now going to have the options. You can see them. Start investing. We have the mutual funds, we have traditional savings account, which is the normal one. This is for mutual funds over here. This is for dollar mutual funds. This is Nigerian stock. So then we have the normal savings, which is where you click here. You can save by yourself. This is for normal savings, and then you can save with others. So we want to compare along with just having your cash. What are the options? So these options, which is the best for you? All right, let's start with the Carry mutual funds. So tap on invest. This is the mutual fund. So we have two, depends on what you use, using naira or dollar. Now, the Carry mutual funds gives you the advantage is that you get to save, earn interest, and it's easy to access. But the con is that you have a withdrawal delay of 24 to 48 hours. Now, if you're investing in Naira mutual fund, you own a mix of Nigerian stock, bonds, treasury bills, and other financial instruments, all on your terms. If you're investing in dollar mutual fund, you invest in euro bonds and other USD assets, and you earn returns in dollars. So let's look at the traditional savings account, which is just saving. Now, if you're using traditional savings accounts, one of the advantages that, for the basic advantage, is that you get instant access to your money. But what is the con? The con is that you get low interest on your money, and it is prone to impulsive spending. As in, because you have easy access to your money, it usually lead you to impulsive spending. Now, the last one we're going to look at is cash. What if you just leave your cash, the money you have, let's say you just leave it there? Yes, you have the advantage that you have instant access to your money, but it's advantage that you have no growth, and there's risks of loss or theft. It could be stolen if you keep it with you or you keep it in your account. Yes, so that is it.